Pasadena is known for its friendly neighborhoods, strong community values, and diverse housing styles. As more homeowners in the area look to maintain or boost their property's value, window replacement is becoming one of the smartest home improvements they can make. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want a more comfortable and efficient home, replacing your windows can deliver both immediate and long-term benefits. Here's how investing in new windows can increase your Pasadena home's value and enhance your everyday living experience. Boosted curb appeal. One of the first things people notice about your home is its windows. Old, foggy, or damaged windows can make even a well-maintained home look dated or neglected. On the flip side, modern replacement windows can dramatically improve the exterior appearance of your property. With a wide variety of frame materials, colors, and styles available, you can easily choose a window design that complements your home's architecture, whether you live in a traditional ranch-style home or a newer suburban build. Upgraded windows enhance the overall curb appeal, making a strong impression on neighbors and potential buyers alike. Improved energy efficiency. Pasadena, Texas experiences hot and humid summers, which means your air conditioner works hard to keep your home comfortable. Old, drafty windows can let heat in and cool air out, driving up your energy bills. Replacing those windows with energy-efficient models helps create a tighter seal, reducing air leaks and making your HVAC system more effective. Many modern windows come with double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames, all of which help to regulate indoor temperatures. Over time, this can translate into lower utility bills and a more comfortable home environment, a big selling point for cost-conscious buyers. Higher property value and ROI. Window replacement is one of the best remodeling projects in terms of return on investment, ROI. According to real estate data, homeowners often recoup up to 70 to 80% of the project cost in increased home value. In markets like Pasadena, Texas, where affordable yet well-maintained homes are in demand, this upgrade can make a significant difference when it comes time to sell. Even if you're not selling right away, you're still adding real value that contributes to long-term equity and appeal. Increased comfort and quiet. Living near busy roads or high traffic areas in Pasadena can come with unwanted noise. Fortunately, modern windows with multiple panes and insulating gas fills can significantly reduce outdoor noise levels. This makes your indoor environment more peaceful, something both current residents and future buyers can appreciate. Additionally, newer windows help eliminate drafts and hot spots, maintaining a consistent indoor temperature and boosting overall comfort year-round. Better safety and security. Today's replacement windows are not only more efficient, they're also safer. New locking systems, reinforced frames, and impact-resistant glass make it harder for intruders to access your home. For families in Pasadena, safety is a top priority, and upgraded windows can help you feel more secure, especially during hurricane season or severe weather. Low maintenance and long-lasting performance. Texas humidity and seasonal storms can wear down older wooden windows, leading to rot, warping, and mold. Newer vinyl, Fiberglass or composite windows are designed to handle the region's climate with minimal upkeep. That means less painting, fewer repairs, and more time enjoying your home. Final thoughts for Pasadena, Texas homeowners. Window replacement isn't just about aesthetics. It's a high-impact upgrade that increases property value, improves comfort, and reduces energy costs. Whether you're updating an older home or preparing to sell, new windows offer a lasting return that pays off in both dollars and day-to-day enjoyment. Now might be the perfect time to let your home shine, inside and out, with energy-efficient, modern replacement windows.